From raw aluminum to 300 kilometers per hour, witness the birth of a transportation titan.
In this facility, engineering meets the horizon, creating the Iron Silk Road of the 21st century. Welcome to the heart of high-speed innovation. I'm here to show you how we transform raw earth into the world's most advanced high-speed rail network. Aluminum is the lightweight heart of speed, extracted with massive power to ensure maximum efficiency.
Purity is mandatory, refining the elements to create alloys that can withstand the stress of supersonic travel. Forged in heat, these billets will become the aerodynamic skin of the world's fastest trains. Precision begins at the molecular level, ensuring every component is cut to an exact aerospace tolerance. The raw elements have arrived. Now, the transformation into the Iron Silk Road begins. Logistics at this scale requires absolute precision, moving the weight of a nation with the grace of a machine. Every piece of metal is accounted for, ensuring that only the highest grade alloys reach the production floor. The brains of the train are moved with surgical care, protected within an environment that defies the outside world.
Our internal logistics are fully automated, operating on a 5G-enabled AI network for zero-latency coordination. In this facility, the movement of materials is as synchronized as the trains we build.
Strength and maneuverability start here, moving the foundation of the train into its final assembly position. A subterranean network of power and steel, fueling the assembly lines that never sleep.
Seal intact on crate 47X293.
All crates verified. Load is clear. Proceeding to integration hall.
Purity is the prerequisite for speed. We remove every impurity before the metal is shaped. The transport is complete. The stage is set. The transformation of raw aluminum into the Iron Silk Road is now in motion. In the race for global connectivity, security is the foundation upon which every kilometer of speed is built. Every entry is a precision filter, ensuring that only the purest materials and verified personnel enter the core.
Our security is seamless, matching the speed of our production. Biometric synchronization ensures that every hand on the factory floor is a certified expert in high-speed rail.
Digital walls are as thick as steel, preventing any unauthorized interference with the factory's automated nervous system. We monitor every heartbeat of the factory, ensuring that the environment is as perfect as the engineering. Each zone is an isolated ecosystem, protecting the delicate from the powerful in the forge of speed. Purity is not an option, it is a requirement when building components that will rotate at thousands of RPMs. Total visibility ensures that the blueprint is followed to the millimeter, with zero room for error.
The security checks are complete. Now, witness the transformation of raw metal into the backbone of high-speed travel.
Immense pressure creates seamless strength, forging the lightweight shell that will defy the wind at 300 kilometers per hour. Precision at the speed of light ensures that every structural bracket meets a zero-tolerance aerospace standard. The foundation of safety lies in the details, where solid steel is sculpted for maximum endurance.
We use ultra-high pressure water jets for composites to prevent any thermal damage to the material structure. Cold cutting technology allows us to maintain the integrity of our advanced composite materials. Controlled heat cycles ensure the wheels can withstand the friction and weight of hundreds of tons at top speed.
Industrial efficiency is a priority, turning every square inch of high-cost alloy into a functional part of the machine. Human craftsmanship provides the final touch, refining the work of the machines for peak aerodynamic performance. We protect the metal at a microscopic level, ensuring the train remains pristine through decades of weather and speed. The components are ready. The skeleton is carved. Now, the grand assembly of the Iron Silk Road begins. Seamless integration is the key to aerodynamics, creating a single metallic shell that slices through the air. The face of speed is attached, engineered to minimize drag and manage the intense pressure of tunnel entries.
The car body is designed as a rigid safety cage capable of protecting passengers even at maximum velocities. Safety and speed are two sides of the same coin, forged into every centimeter of this structure.
Stability begins at the base, ensuring the train stays glued to the tracks even during high-speed curves. A unified fleet connected by flexible strength to absorb the energy of 300 km/h travel. The marriage of body and wheel, a precision interface that turns electric power into effortless motion. Comfort is engineered through silence, masking the roar of the wind with advanced composite shielding. Precision at this scale is a miracle of modern engineering, ensuring the train remains perfectly balanced at top speed. The skeleton is complete. Now, we install the digital nervous system that will guide this titan across the continent. The conversion of raw power into controlled motion begins here, managed by high-capacity traction electronics. Digital intelligence takes command, ensuring the train and the track are in constant, millisecond perfect communication.
Our drivers use an intuitive digital interface that monitors every sensor on the train simultaneously. Total situational awareness is critical when you are covering 100 meters every single second.
Fiber optics form the high-speed nervous system, carrying terabytes of data between the cars with zero latency. Predictive comfort is built into the wheels, allowing the train to dance through curves at full velocity. The bridge to power, designed to maintain a constant electrical connection at speeds that would snap ordinary gear.
Initiating global system sync test. Connecting diagnostic terminal.
We synchronize every digital heartbeat, ensuring the train operates as a single, unified organism.
Clear.
Redundancy is our law, providing multiple layers of fail-safe power for absolute passenger safety. The machine is now self-aware, its brain is online, and its senses are primed for the final forge of automation. Automation at this scale ensures absolute structural uniformity across every meter of the train's 200-meter length. Precision in the hidden details, ensuring that every interior component is anchored to withstand high-speed vibrations.
This automated system performs over 10,000 fastening operations per car with zero margin for error. In high-speed rail, every rivet is a critical link in the chain of safety and aerodynamic efficiency.
Molecular fusion through friction, creating a joint that is stronger than the aluminum itself. An airtight seal is vital for passenger comfort, keeping the cabin pressurized during high-speed tunnel transits. We carve the air-cutting edges of the train's silhouette with the power of water and robotic precision. Automation reaches where humans cannot,
ensuring every bracket and bolt is secured to the highest standard.
The aerodynamic roof shield is aligned. Robotic arms begin precision weld on the thermal joints. Weld complete. Panel is locked, moving to final gate.
Configuration fusing power at the art of high-speed design. The structure is finalized. The Titan is whole. Now, it must receive its iconic skin and finish. Perfection begins with the surface, creating a mirror-smooth finish that reduces drag at 300 kilometers per hour.
Every line defines the spirit of speed, applied with a precision that exceeds the capabilities of the human hand.
Our multi-layer coating system is designed to repel dust and moisture, keeping the train pristine for years. Science meets aesthetics to protect the train from the harsh environments of high-speed travel.
Thermal management is vital, shielding the structure from the intense electrical energy that powers the journey. Every train carries the identity of its origin, marked for its duty as a pioneer of the Iron Silk Road.
Scan confirms coating is uniform with the transfer. Okay, copy that.
Guaranteeing the skin remains intact at top speed. The windows are sealed, creating a pressurized sanctuary of comfort within the shell of a high-speed beast. The transformation is complete. The raw metal is now a gleaming icon of modern engineering, ready for the final trial. We recreate the fury of the wind, ensuring the cabin remains a silent, pressurized sanctuary for every passenger. From tropical storms to desert heat, the train is tested to endure the world's most extreme climates. We simulate a lifetime of travel in a matter of hours, pushing the limits of durability to ensure total safety.
Our electrical systems are hardened to withstand massive power surges without interrupting the journey. Reliability is non-negotiable when millions of lives depend on the integrity of your circuits.
We master the art of stopping as much as the art of speed, engineering safety into every millisecond of friction. A fortress of code and copper, protecting the digital nervous system from the invisible chaos of the airwaves.
We account for every gram of weight, ensuring the ride remains smooth regardless of the passenger count. Precision on the track is born in the factory, where a single millimeter of error is a kilometer of risk.
Tested, proven, perfected. The transition from a machine of parts to a pioneer of the tracks is now complete. In the final hour, perfection is the only acceptable result for a machine that will carry the future of travel. Every moving part is primed for endurance, ensuring a journey of 1,000,000 kilometers begins with perfect protection. A strategic fleet ready for deployment, supported by a supply chain that ensures every train is always mission capable.
Officer 47, digital twin and flight logs ready for transfer.
Credit 12.
Scan complete, chain of custody verified.
The digital soul of the train is transferred, passing the legacy. The transition is complete, from a static assembly of metal and code to a living pioneer of the tracks. Every kilometer of speed is a tribute to the thousands of hands that forged it within these walls.
And this is how modern defense factories build advanced systems from start to finish. Connecting nations, defying the wind, and defining the future of speed.